Hello beautiful, and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be sharing with you how to bling out your very own nails at home. And yeah, I did this myself. I am not a professional, but check out that bling. That's right. So what I used was purchased at Amazon. I did buy different shapes. These are round ones, and you see different sizes and also different shapes right here. I will be linking everything in the description box if you are interested. And also you will be needing a pencil, and that pencil will help you to pick up those rhinestones and whatnot. I also have this brush, and of course you are gonna need that gel to hold on your bling. So the first thing that you need to do is obviously to prepare your nails. I went ahead and used a couple of coats of these nail polish. It is from D&D, and right after that I cure them. I put my top coat, and now I'm ready to bling them out. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of the gel, about this much, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on the nail like so. Then I'm gonna pick up that bling and I'm gonna arrange it to the nail. And practically what I do is that I work as I go. If I want to put another piece of bling in the nail, then I pick up more of that gel. And then it is very important that you do put enough of that gel on the sides of the bling because you want it to last. Okay, so that's also very, very important. You are going to need an LED light, and for each nail, I think I cured it. Yeah, I cured it for 60 seconds just to be on the safe side. And yeah, this gel dries clear, so you're all safe. Now, I liked using this wooden stick instead of the brush. I don't know, for me it was just simpler to do it. It was cleaner to do it this way, but of course you should have your acetone ready in case you make a mistake. You can just wipe it off and restart. Like I said, I am not a professional. I learned pretty much on my own, and I thought this idea was pretty cool. I actually got many compliments on my nails, and I was proud to say that yes, I did them myself. So this is what we have so far. I went ahead and cured it, and yeah, these rhinestones are not going anywhere. One tip that I can give you is to make sure that you do put that gel around each rhinestone very well, because you don't want any gaps in between the jewel or the bling, between the bling and the nail. And yeah, that's gonna keep it in place. And here what I'm doing is I'm just cleaning off those gems. I want them to bling very nicely, and yeah, this is it. Very fast and simple, and I think the nails look great. Let me know what you think below, and like always, I will see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Adios.